Hello friends, myself Tanish. I am studying in grade 5. Today I am going to give a speech about Leviathan, which is trending on social media. As you all know now, Leviathan is going trending on social media. But what exactly is this Leviathan? Is there any scientific proof of Leviathan, and why are they saying that Leviathan is coming? So Leviathan is considered to be an evil beast that was created by God when He created humans, animals, etc. God created two Leviathans, male and female. Since Leviathan was so huge and strong, both the Leviathans were fighting in the world. So the God killed the female Leviathan, and the male Leviathan was very angry after that. So the God came down and soothed him down and made him sleep under the depth of the ocean. So now it's trending on social media that deep sea creatures are escaping. But yeah, they are actually not wrong. Actually, they are correct. Because see, deep sea creatures like anglerfish. Do you all know what is an anglerfish? It's known as black sea devilfish or anglerfish. So its mouth is always open and it has light it has antenna which produces bioluminescent light. So in this, from the very depths of the ocean, sea beasts are coming. Suppose in Odisha there are a lot of olive red turtles, and in Kerala if you see lakhs of fishes, and in some parts of the place there are strange square waves. So as you know about these, now I'm going to say about the other things. Now as you know, what is Leviathan? Leviathan, as I already said, it's considered. Scientifically, Leviathan is considered to be a prehistorical whale which is huge, and its scale is tough as iron and it's very hard. So as you know it, Leviathan is very hard and its scales are tough as iron, as I already said. So what if these creatures awake from the earth and rose to its height? It says that it can block the sun. So in this, Leviathan is a very big creature. It says when no one loves each other and people start killing for money and selling each other for money, Leviathan will come to life and will kill those people who are not proper and not good. So the good people will pray to Jesus that let them come. Jesus will bring a sword which was forged in heaven and come and kill Leviathan. So he will make the earth and heaven without any person ruining it. So it said that he will kill Leviathan and give its meat to the good people as a feast. After he has ate them, and he will go back to heaven. As you know, like this. Now, some reasons why Leviathan is that Leviathan exists, deep sea creatures are coming out, strange waves are coming. But there is one main reason. It's the oarfish, which is also known as doomsday fish. Because this fish is very rare, and this fish is about the size of a snake. This fish was last found on Japan 2011, and we all know the massacre which happened there. Great tsunamis, very big earthquake. Since whenever this comes to shore, it means there's some natural disaster or a disaster is going to occur. In this, they said about oarfish has come to Netherlands seashore. 2 people has been seen it. So in this, since the doomsday fish came, many people are saying it's end of Kali Yuga, the end has come. And not only these, there are more other 2 creatures which is supposed to be the size of the Leviathan. So the one creature is this. Its wings is as big that it can even block sunlight. And do you know where this lives? It lives in space, but I don't actually believe it, because there is a scientific reason for Leviathan to live. Not really, but a little reason. But for this, nothing. How can a breathing animal breathe in space? This makes no sense, right? Yes, but people are talking like that. Next is behemoth. So this animal is mostly found under the ground. I don't believe this animal too. Because which animal is found in the ground without eating or sleeping? Either doing hibernation? Absolutely not. So there are no proper scientific reasons that Leviathan is existed. No proper scientific reason that Leviathan doesn't exist. So Leviathan exists, from where will it come? Leviathan can come near the inside the Bermuda Triangle or near Argentina, where strange things have been happening. You already know about Bermuda Triangle, that many ships and planes has crashed there. So since you know about this, Bermuda Triangle is a very strange triangle, which is also known as the Devil's Triangle. So, many ships and planes have been crashed there, so it's too mysterious. Now next is Marina Trench. A creature like Leviathan should be living in a deep place, and Marina Trench is the perfect place for it. And now certain sounds have been recorded, like the bloop sound and other sounds. These sounds are like the sounds that are being produced from animals. So in this video we learned about Leviathan, its origin, and is it true or not. Well, we didn't actually confirm it because it's not scientifically confirmed. As per the Christianity, it is confirmed and it's known as Leviathan. So as we know it, I like to conclude my speech with a thank you.